On each side of the square shown, a semicircle is drawn inside the square. The side length of the square is 10 and is equal to the diameter of each semicircle. The 4 semicircles overlap to form the shaded 4-petal flower. If n is the closest integer to the area of the shaded flower, what is the value of n? First, I'm going to split this diagram into 4 parts. And then I'm going to split one petal into 2. So if we calculate this green area over here, and then we multiply it by 8, we get the whole flower. So how do we find this green area? Well, we can first find the area of this red sector over here. And then we also find the area of this blue triangle over here. And when we subtract the area of the blue triangle from the red sector, we get the area of the green half petal. So then we can multiply it by 8 to get the full area. And from the problem, we know that the side length of the square is 10, so 10 divided by 2 is 5, and we label these two side lengths. Our first step is to calculate the area of this sector. We know that the area of a circle is pi r squared, so then we can multiply this by 1 over 4 because this sector is 1/4 of a circle. Now we plug in the values, which is, in this case, r is equal to 5, so we have 1 over 4 pi times 5 squared, which is 25, so it's 25 over 4 pi. And now the problem is asking for like a rounded number, so we can just estimate this to be 19.63. Our second step is to calculate the area of this triangle. So we know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And now we plug in the values, which in this case the base is 5 and the height is also 5. So we have 5 times 5 divided by 2, which is 25 divided by 2, and it is 12.5. Finally, we are ready to calculate the green area. Remember that the red area is 19.63 and the blue area was 12.5, so we subtract the 2 to give us 7.13. Now this is only the green area, so we have to multiply this by 8 to get the whole area for the flower. So 7.13 times 8 gives us 57.04. And the problem is only asking for the nearest integer, so we can round it to give us the final answer of 57.